Basic principles of metallurgy. Pure metal is obtained from the ore by the following stages. First, concentration of ores. Second, extraction of metals. And third, refining of metals. Enrichment or concentration of the ore. There are mainly four methods: gravity separation method, froth flotation method, magnetic separation method, and lastly chemical method or leaching. Student, we know that ore is nothing but the mineral, but along with this mineral the large amount of the impurity is also present. So for what is concentration of the ore? In this technique, the process used for removal of gangue. Gangue, that means soil, sand and earthy impurities are present in the minerals. So we have to remove it. Now what is the concentration of ores? The process of removal of unwanted material from the ore is known as concentration of the ores. We know that ore contains the high amount of metal, but this high amount of metal also contains impurities, but so we have to separate it. The separation of required material from the ore is dependent on the differences in physical properties of the compound of metal present and that of the gangue. Now separation based on gravitation. The heavy particles of ores can be easily separated from the light particles of gangue by the gravitation method. That means we can separate the gangue, which are light particles, from the heavy particles of metal. So the two processes are there. First one, Wilfley Table Method, and second one, hydraulic separation method. By using this method, we can separate the gangue particles from the ore. Now first, Wilfley Table Method. Student, in this method of separation, the Wilfley table is made by fixing narrow and thin wooden riffles on inclined surface. The table is kept vibrating continuously. Powdered ore are obtained from the lumps of the ores using ball mill is poured on the table and a stream of water is also released from the upper side. As a result, the lighter gangue particles are carried away along with the flowing water, while the heavier particles, in which the proportion of the mineral is more and proportion of the gangue is less, are blocked by the wooden riffles and get collected on the slits between them. That means the gangue, which are lighter one, these get collected and the metal particles are blocked by the wooden riffles. In this way, the heavier particles of metals can be separated with the lighter particles of the gangue. So this is the separation of gangue particles, which is based on the gravity separation method. In this way, we can obtain the ore which contains the high metal content by removing its impurities. That means we can remove the impurities or gangue particles by using this Wilfley table method. Now next method is based on hydraulic separation method. This hydraulic separation method we will study in our next video.